ready with me as I cook my okra soup. Here's my okra, my pepper, my dry panla fish, my red oil, my meat, my bonga fish blended one, my onions, and now I'm ready to cook. But the gas stove is dirty. My sister did this. I decided to clean it because I can't cook in a dirty environment. I don't like it. I don't know if you guys, but I don't find it funny cooking in a dirty environment. I just know that anywhere I want to cook must be sparkling clean. So I decided to clean the stove top to make it clean so that I can be at ease while making this food. So here I am. I decided to like rinse it up after cleaning the dirt. So I decided to give it the final touches, which is the final cleaning. So yeah, it is sparkling clean, like you can see. Just check it out. This is what I like to work with. Okay, so we are done cleaning, and I decided to search out for my pot. Here I am looking for the pot I want to use. So I decided to use this one. Then I went ahead to rinse it because it has to be very clean. Do you get? So after rinsing it, I decided to debone my fish. This fish here costs 500 naira, guys. I don't know where we are going in this country, but anyways, it is well. So I decided to throw out the dirt, debone the fish. I go taste more now. Person where they work go chop. So yeah, I am washing off my fish. It's very dirty, so I had to wash it. This is the first one, and I had to wash it again. And here is very clean. So I decided to wash my meat also. I added some salt. I don't know how many of you that wash your meat with salt, but I like washing mine with salt. You can see the water how dirty it is. So I decided to rinse again second time to make sure it's very clean. And here again I decided to rinse again for the last time. Now I know it's super clean. So here's my fish, here's my meat. I decided to okay, let's go ahead. So here I am peeling my onions. So I added my meat inside the pot. I added my pepper. I like parboiling my meat with pepper, you know, to make the spice. I added my salt, and here I sliced my onions and add it inside. And I added hot water. I like cooking with hot water, so I just added a little bit, and I set on my gas. I put on my gas to cook, and after that I leave the meat to parboil for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes here about. Then I added my palm oil. I just added a little because I'm just making small quantity of soup. I added my palm oil, and I will cover it again and come back in the next 20 minutes. But yeah, I added my okra. I don't even know that I was not filming why I added my okra. But anyway, the okra is inside. I added my pepper, my fish, my bonga fish, the blended one, and then I added some salt because I guess that it will need salt. This salt is not too much, mind you, so, just so you know. So here I am. I'm just trying to like make sure the okra is, try to use the spoon to separate the okra to make everything just dissolve so that it can cook well. So yeah, I am dissolving it with my spoon. I don't know how you cook yours, but this is how I do mine. And yeah, so you can see how it is right now. So I decided to leave it and go wash my dishes because I like cleaning. As I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. As I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. That is how I like to do my things. So here I am. I decided to like wash out all the dirty dishes that I used previously, and I've washed it out, and I decided to rinse it while the soup is cooking. So right here I'm done with the dishwashing. I decided to go check on my soup, and here it is, guys. You can see all the foam. If it's foaming like this, just know that it is not yet ready. Some of you that will see this kind of thing, you just put your soup down. This is the thing that used to make soup very expensive, spoil. So yeah, I tested it, and oh my god, it was giving. So I decided to add small salt because the salt is not enough. I know many of you think the salt is too much. No, sorry, I'm the one that tested, so it is not enough. I don't eat okra soup, but yeah, I just said let me just test what I cook, so it's not look as if I'm not eating what I'm cooking. You understand? So I decided to just lick some part of the soup. Is super hot, guys. So let me just taste this one at least. Now don't walk, make I just, you know, have a taste of what I had. Yeah, god, so hot, it's burning me. You can see I decided to lick how slimy the okra is. It's very delicious. It's so slimy, I decided to like lick the soup. I just wish you guys can just come and join me to enjoy this delicious and wonderful meal. It's so sweet, guys. So yeah, I am I'm done licking my soup. I decided to just drink some water. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.